In this episode, we are visiting Grand Cayman Islands, doing some sightseeing, and visiting the famous 7 Mile Beach. This is actually a cinematic view of what we experienced. You don't want to miss this. Welcome to Grand Cayman Islands. This is my second time within the past 2 years of being here, and overall I think I've been here a max of 5 to 6 times, but it's always good to be back, and it's even better to take you guys with me. So join me as we explore the city and get into something new today with the family. Stay tuned. Hey girl, hey, Jasmine here, and I wanted to stop in really quick and thank you guys for tuning in to the video. Girlfriend Unwrapped just celebrated 9 years of being a brand, and I am so excited because that is everything from the blog to the YouTube channel and my other business ventures, and it would not have been possible without you supporting me along this journey. I'm so grateful. I wanted to do something really exciting to switch it up a little bit, so I went ahead and I started a new YouTube channel, a second YouTube channel. It is a personal lifestyle brand. It is everything from my brain dumps to all the things that I've learned along this journey and more. And so if that is something you're interested in, then go ahead and subscribe to the girl. I will go ahead and plug the channel information right here. And yeah, if you're not interested, that's okay too. I really just wanted to thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate the support. It is so exciting to be along this journey and have you guys riding with me and supporting my content. So let's stop talking and let's get back into the video.